Hey there, this is Kelsey Garrett from Issues Up Solutions, and I just wanted to put together a short tutorial on how to use our inventory performance calculator. So if you're on this page, it's likely that you have seen our resource guide and you just don't want to math. I get it. So we built this just for you. All you need is three different numbers: your annual revenue, your cost of goods sold, and your total inventory value. Now, if you don't know the exact numbers, you can estimate, but it's best to have numbers as close as you can get them. So there's auto-populated numbers in here. You can change them as you go. Let's just say your annual revenue is 10 million. And usually standard is about cost of goods sold are usually about 60% of your annual revenue. So just for easy math, we'll put that at 6. And inventory value, we'll just say you got 2 million. There we go. So from here, everything else on the whole page is calculated out for you. So it's going to do the math of what your gross profit would be. Obviously, this is before all the other overhead costs that you have, but easy math for today, right? So this first column here is going to tell you what, based on those numbers above, what is your inventory turnover ratio, days sales of inventory, gross margin, inventory to sales ratio, carrying costs. This is assuming that your carrying cost of inventory is 15%. Obviously, if it's different, then, you'd have to adjust that. And then we also have return on inventory investment and sales per inventory dollar. Now on the far right-hand side, what I have is kind of industry standard or recommended numbers. So this will give you a gauge of, is my numbers in line? Is there anything that's off? Now, obviously, every industry is different. Yours might be different, but this will give you a good gauge. So now here's what I do. I help you reduce your inventory down or understand your inventory better. And so I have this inventory reduction percentage calculator. So you can adjust here and be like, okay, I've got $2 million in inventory revenue or inventory value, sorry. And when I look at this, I should probably be at 30 to 60 days of inventory. I'm at 121 days. And obviously I've got higher carrying costs, stuff like that. So I'm like, wonder what happens if, say, I reduce it by, say 30%. Well, then this is going to tell you that, my inventory turnover ratio is getting closer to the recommended amount. Now I'm down here at about 85 days. Inventory to sales ratio, that's in range. My carrying costs dropped down by $90,000 just by reducing that inventory by 30%. And then sales per inventory dollar goes up. Now, here's the crazy thing. Down at the bottom here, increase cash to the business. This is a straight cash reduction, including your carrying costs and then your actual physical inventory reduction. Now, think about what this, would mean for your business. So go ahead and play around with this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you want to book some time to just chat about these numbers or get more information, feel free to do that. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you will see my calendar where you can book a time and we can discuss this further. So thank you so much for taking your time.